Alright, good morning everybody. I thought that I would do a quick update on my incubator chickens since I haven't done an update on my incubator chickens in a while. So you're going to be super surprised on how big they are. They're huge. Can you believe it? I hatched these guys myself. Aren't they huge? I swear they grew overnight. They have gotten so big so fast, I can't even believe it. It seems like we were just transporting them from this side over to this side, and here they are, huge little baby pterodactyls. They're getting ready to be moved into the hen house with all the rest of them, the tractor supply birds and our old hens. They're getting ready to be integrated. We got several different breeds here because when I ordered the eggs, I kind of ordered just it was like their surprise package or something like that. It had these like random birds, and so that's why there's a couple different breeds. My favorite, which ones I think are the prettiest, are those really light gray ones. I just love them. I think that they're beautiful. I love their coloring on them, and I'm really excited to see what kind of eggs that they start dropping out when they get old enough. I have got to get going on my animal chores here in a little bit, and I'm going to have to set the camera down so I can do that. But first, let me see if I can snatch one of these blue ones. These grayish, I guess they would call it blue, but it's gray to me. Now, look at that face. Isn't it pretty? Got humongous feet. Okay, go back in. They're all huge. I can't believe how big they're getting. It's ridiculous. But that's a good thing. I just really am proud of myself because I hatched them from an egg and they've survived. All of the ones that hatched are here, and they're growing really well, and it just shows what you can do. Like, I didn't know anything about incubating eggs. I didn't know anything about that whole process, and from an egg came life. It's pretty amazing. Just shows what you can do with a little determination. If I can do it, really honestly, anybody can do it. Seriously. I'm not a pro. But don't be afraid of failure, because you know what? Failure is just an opportunity to grow, and it's just another opportunity to learn. And success is awesome. And you know, there's a movie quote, I forget where it comes from, but there's a movie quote. It says, "The sweet is never so sweet without the sour." And it always stuck with me. I love that quote, and I can't remember for the life of me what movie that came from. Do you know? Drop it in the comments. But the sweet is never so sweet without the sour. And that's just how you should take life. You're never gonna, you have to appreciate the bad times too, because although it might suck and everything, like, if you don't appreciate it for what it is, then you're not going to be able to appreciate the really good times. So, it's cool. They're all just huddled up. Anyhow, let me close this up, and I'm going to come back and do my animal chores here in a minute when I'm done talking to y'all. But you might notice that we have a lot of noise going on in the Green Mile. And that's because yesterday, a gal that goes to church with my mom stopped by and gave me 7 new ducks. from us, duckies. We're gonna get ya. But we got 7 new ducks. Oh my gosh, look, and one laid an egg. I gotta go in there and collect that. We've got 7 ducks plus Donald. So let's take a peek at them. Are they running? Yeah. I'm gonna stand right here. I was thinking that since we have a Donald and these guys are all black, I was thinking that they should be Daffies. I just don't know which one I want to be Daffy. We're not planning on keeping them very long. These guys are going to go in our freezer. And we're probably going to keep a male and a female, maybe a couple of females. Half of this flock is going to get thinned out. I just know that. We're probably going to keep a few, but half of this flock is probably going to get thinned out. It just depends. But we got 7 new ducks, everybody. Aren't they cool? Oh, and that lady told me that she's got a couple of turkeys for me as well. So I'm going to get some. That was great. That was great. Oh, and I got a duck egg. Yep, I got a duck egg. What are you seeing, lady? Alright, well, that's the update that I got for you guys for today. Ducks and my little chickies are doing really good, getting really big. And I gotta go get to cleaning stalls and feeding animals, giving everybody water. So, hope everybody has a good day today, and we'll update again soon. Maybe when I get my turkeys. We'll see. Have a good one, guys.